And then where's the infotainment screen? Where it is? Where it is? Here it is. Man, so this is the best feature I have seen in this car. What's up, petrolheads? I'm your host Vikas and you're watching Vikas and Cars. So guys, finally after 2 weeks I'm back with a new video. और यार क्या बताऊँ, पिछले 2 हफ्ते में इतना ज़्यादा बिजी हो गया था अपने कॉलेज के फेस में, 2 इवेंट का कोऑर्डिनेटर्स था, तो मैं कोई भी वीडियो अपलोड नहीं कर पाया चैनल पर, बिल्कुल भी विकास एंड कार्स को ध्यान नहीं दे पाया. सो रियली अ वेरी 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 बिग सॉरी फॉर दैट. बट अब आपको कंसिस्टेंट वीडियोस देखने को मिलेगी मेरे चैनल पे, हर संडे न्यू वीडियो, एंड आगे जाके मैं वीक्स के अंदर 2 वीडियोस भी अपलोड करना स्टार्ट कर दूंगा. सो यस, आई एम बैक विद अ बूम. एंड आज की वीडियो तो आप लोग समझ ही चुके हैं दैट इट्स गोना बी द ओनरशिप रिव्यू of a car worth 65 lakh rupees in India. That कि मतलब अगर आपके पास 65 लाख रुपीस की कार आप लेने का सोच रहे हो, so is it worth buying in India? So हम उस गाड़ी के सारे एडवांटेजेस, डिसएडवांटेजेस, प्रॉस कॉन्स, हर चीज़ के बारे में बात करेंगे. कितना माइलेज वो देती है एंड सिटी में ड्राइविंग कैसी रहती है, हाईवे पे ड्राइविंग कैसी रहती है, इज इट गुड फॉर द ट्रैक एंड एवरीथिंग. सो यस, दिस वीडियो इज गोना बी समथिंग न्यू ऑन माई चैनल, कॉज मैंने आज से पहले ओनरशिप रिव्यू नहीं बनाया. सो यस, इट्स गोना बी समथिंग न्यू फॉर मी टू. कुछ नया सीखने को मिलेगा आज. एंड यार गर्मियाँ आ चुकी हैं, सो बहुत ज़्यादा पसीने आ रहे हैं तुम्हारे भाई को, और एक तो मैं फ़ैन भी नहीं चला सकता, नहीं तो पीछे से विंड नॉइज़ आएगी. सो यस, कोई नहीं, स्ट्रगल के दिन है भाई, स्ट्रगल करेंगे. एंड अभी अराउंड 10:30 बज रहे हैं. सो मेरे को पहुंचना है शालीमार बाग 12 बजे तक, कॉज वहीं पे मेरे को उस कार का ओनर मिलेगा जिसकी वो कार है वर्थ 65 लाख रुपीस. सो यस, वहाँ पे हम जाएंगे और जाके उस कार को शूट करेंगे. सो यस गाइस, स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड कीप वॉचिंग दिस व्लॉग टिल द एंड. Guys, standing behind me is the 2013 Audi A6.
I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
So guys, here's the key of the car, and I must say that the key looks pretty decent and pretty classy. So yes, here you get the button to lock, then you get the button to open the boot of the car, and there's the button to unlock. Plus you get the stylish Audi logo badge at the downside of the key. So yes, now I'll be telling you about the looks of the car. So guys, starting with the front of the car, you get this beautiful 4 rings Audi logo with this big badge grille, and here you get this beautiful LED xenon headlamps, plus here you get the headlight washers, and I must say that the car looks very beautiful from the front. So now we'll be watching what's under the hood of the car. So guys, under the hood you get the 2-liter 4-cylinder TDI engine which produces 174 bhp and 380 Nm of torque. So the numbers are quite good. Now moving towards the sides of the car, you get this cornering headlights with this ZX ZD912 18 inches tires with the sporty doors and beautiful rear view mirror. Then coming towards the back, you get this beautiful LED tail lights with this Audi badge placed nicely on the car, and this dual exhaust. So now we'll be checking how much space is present in the boot of the car. So guys, now I'll be showing you how much space is present inside the boot of the car. So the button to open the hood is present here. All you're required to do is keep holding it. And yes, the hood opens. So yes, under the hood you get a capacity of 530 liters, and as you can see that there's already a lot of stuff present here. And if you pull the rear seats down, you get a massive capacity of 930 liters. So that's actually too much. And if you are planning for a road trip, this car is best for you. So guys, right now I'm present at the rear cabin of the car, and I must say that this rear cabin is quite luxurious and quite comfortable. So here you get some decent headroom, and here you get some massive legroom. And abhi maine seats ko pura front mein push kar diya. So yes, there's massive legroom present here. And here you get this window blinds, and remove them if you want, and you can apply them if you want. And then you get this comfortable handrest, and if you don't require it, you can push it back. Plus you get this rear AC vents with this climate control panel. And now I'll be talking about the front cabin of the car. So guys, right now I'm present in the front cabin of the car, and I must say that this cabin makes me feel like I'm sitting in a spaceship, as there are lots and lots of buttons present here. So guys, coming towards this sporty steering wheel, you get this Audi badge here with the steering mounted controls and this beautiful pedal shifters. Then talking about the instrument panel, you get this analog tachometer with this analog speedometer, and here you get the temperature gauge, the fuel gauge, and this small screen where various information regarding the date, kilometers driven, and the music playing is displayed. And then where is the infotainment screen? Where it is? Here it is. Man, so this is the best feature I have seen in this car, and the way it opens is actually very satisfying. So yes, here's the infotainment screen, and you can control it from the button present here. All you're required to do is rotate it, and you can switch to various options like the car, telephone, info, media, radio, tone, etc. And yes, the dash of this car is actually very amazing. This wooden texture gives some extra feel to the car. And then talking about this glove box, the way it opens is actually very satisfying. So yes, then here you get this Audi multimedia panel with this climate control panel, and here you get the gear shifter. All you're required to do is put your foot into brake and press this button, and you can put the car into various modes like the parking, reverse, neutral, drive, and sports. And here you get the parking brake. Here you get the start stop engine button, and here you get the buttons to control the multimedia screen. And here comes some extra space to keep your utilities. So guys, that was all about the front cabin of the car. Now I'll be talking about the performance of this car. So guys, now we'll be checking out the performance of this car, but this time I won't be reviewing it. There's someone else who's gonna review the car. So guys, meet Madhav.
Hi, how are you all?
So yes, he's the owner of the car, so he'll be explaining his experience with this car. So let's check it out. So bro, तेरे को around ये car ले around 3 years हो चुके हैं. So how was your experience with the car?
It is very good. I'm going to tell you, if you want to drive in different way with this car, you can drive it. Like,
okay,
there are options for you. If you want to drive in luxurious, there is option for comfy. If you want to drive fast, there is option for dynamic. And if you want to drive in a particular way, you can set it as on an individual mode. So
okay, so it's a car for all the purposes. If you want to get a sporty feel, you can have that. If you want to get the comfortable feel, you can have that. So you can even drive the car in the cities too with some great comfort.
Yeah.
Okay. So how much is the mileage of this car?
Mileage is 12, which is very good, because in luxurious cars after 12 years, it is giving 12 per liter, so it is very good. Like, as you know.
Okay. So yeah, 12 km per liter for a 2-liter turbocharged engine is actually very good. And now tell me something about the performance of this car. कि मतलब drive करने में तेरे को अभी तक कैसी लगी? कोई issues वगैरह आए?
There was no issues, like just normal ones, but it is very smooth to drive, and the gear shift pedal is very smooth. There are 4 gears: the parking, reverse, neutral, and drive and sports. Okay, basically 4 modes. Yeah. And it's a 6-speed transmission, huh? 6 gears. If you want to pedal shift, there is also an option. Okay. So it is very easy to drive. We don't have to do so much about it.
Okay, tell me about the NVH levels. NVH levels are basically noise, vibration, and harshness. So noise car इतनी produce करती है?
If you're standing outside, you can hear some engine noise, but if you are inside the car, you don't hear any engine noise.
Okay, so this one is a diesel or petrol?
Diesel.
Diesel. Okay, so diesel. अभी मैं भी कार के अंदर ही बैठा हूँ, and I must say that being a diesel engine, इतनी ज़्यादा कुछ noise नहीं है. And vibrations, I ain't feeling any vibrations. Okay, मैंने अभी कार एक बार drive भी करी थी खुद. There were no vibrations, and harshness भी बिल्कुल नहीं है. So yes, NVH levels are quite good. And then talking about the speed. मतलब अभी तक तूने हाईएस्ट कितने उस पर ड्राइव करा है? मतलब 160 ओके। एंड टॉप स्पीड क्या है इसकी? बेसिकली जो स्पीडोमीटर के अंदर दे रखी है दैट्स 300 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर एंड माधव हैज़ ड्रिवन दिस कार अप टू 160 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर, सो येस दिस कार कैन बी टेकन अप टू हाई लिमिट्स। सो गाइस दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ दिस कार एंड अभी हम इस कार को एक बार 0 to 100 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर तक की स्पीड तक ले जाकर देखेंगे कि कितना टाइम ये लगाती है। सो येस दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट दिस 2013 Audi A6।